Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn a poem. This poem is from 12th standard textbook. The title of the poem is Song of the Open Road. This poem is written by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman was born in 1819 and he passed away. He was dead in 1892. Walt Whitman was an American poet, essayist, and journalist. Walt Whitman was an American poet. He was from America. He was essayist. He used to write essays. He was a journalist. He used to write news in the newspaper. Whitman is among the most influential poets in the American canon and is often called the father of free verse. Whitman is a famous poet from America. He was a popular American poet. He was called father of free verse because he had invented new form of poetry in which he did not follow the rules of poetry. In this type of poetry, there is no rhyme scheme, there are no rhyming words, there are no figures of speech used in the poem. Walt Whitman's family was a poor family, and his major work, Leaves of Grass, was published in July 1855. His major work, Leaves of Grass, was published in July 1855. His O Captain, My Captain, a poem written on the death of Abraham Lincoln, is widely popular. O Captain, My Captain, this poem is in 10th standard syllabus, and this is a very famous poem written by Walt Whitman. The section of Song of the Open Road from Leaves of Grass is a beautiful blend of self-awareness, free will, and tenderness of heart. And this poem, Song of the Open Road, this poem is taken from Leaves of Grass. And this poem is a beautiful mixture of self-awareness, free will, and tenderness of heart. It gives us poets realization that along the journey of life one will face a test of wisdom which is not tested in any school or university. When we will read this poem, we will come to know that while living life we have to pass the exam, the test of wisdom. While living life we have to prove that we are talented, we are brilliant, we are intelligent, and this test or wisdom is not taught in any school, college, or university. A road is something everyone uses, whether rich or poor, and it forces all levels of people to associate with one another. Road, on the road all of us have to walk. Rich people walk on the road, poor people also walk on the road, and there all types of people, whether they are poor, they are rich, they have to associate, means help each other. The road signifies mobility. The road is the symbol of mobility. Mobility means movement. Road is the symbol of movement. One can take the road as a point to start over towards something new. Road means beginning. Road is compared to the beginning of something. Whitman talks about the people and places. And Whitman talks about people and about various places in this poem. He argues against staying is one place for too long, although the hospitality may be true. And according to Whitman, man should not stop at one place. though he gets hospitality, though he gets respect, but if you have to become successful in life, then you should not stop at one place, you should walk, you should go ahead. Now we are going to start our poem, Song of the Open Road. Afoot and light-hearted, I take to the open road. In the very first line of the poem, poet says that afoot and light-hearted, I take to the open road. Poet says that now he has come on the road. And afoot means he is walking on his foot. He is not traveling by any vehicle. He is not using any vehicle for traveling, for his journey. His journey is on foot. And light-hearted, poet says that he is light-hearted. Light-hearted means he has no stress, no pressure, no tension. I take to the open road. And poet says that now he is on the open road. The road is open. There are no hurdles on the road. There are no barriers on the road. Here, the road is compared with the journey of life. Poet says that we have to start our journey. We should start our journey with light heart. We should not take any burden, or we should not take any tension in life while going ahead. Healthy, free, the world before me. And poet says that now I have started my journey. I am on the road, and while walking on the road, I see the world. How is the world? The world is healthy. The world is healthy. There are no problems in the world. The world is free. Now, poet says that in this world we have freedom. We are not a slave. We have freedom. The world before me, the long brown path before me. And poet says that I am on the road, and in front of me there is a long path, long brown path in front of me, leading wherever I choose, leading wherever I choose. And I have freedom to choose my road. I have freedom to choose my way in life. The road will take me wherever I have to go. Here, poet wants to say that when you start your life journey, the road will take you wherever you want to go. You can go anywhere in your life. If you will select good way, then you will reach good destination. If you will select bad way, evil road, then you will get failure in life. So poet says that there is a long way in front of me, and the road will take me wherever I want to go. It depends on me where I have to go, whether I have to succeed in life or whether I have to fail in life. It depends upon me. Henceforth I ask not good fortune. I myself am good fortune. Poet says that henceforth means from today onwards. Henceforth means from today onwards, I will not ask to God, God give me good fortune. God, please bestow good luck on me. I don't demand good luck to God for me, because I myself is good luck. God has given me life, and it is not less. I myself is good luck. Means our fate, our destiny is in our hands. It is not in anybody's hand. Other people cannot do anything for us. Whatever we have to do, it has to do by ourselves. Henceforth I whimper no more. Whimper means sobbing, crying, complaining. Poet says that many people complain in life that they didn't get anything. God has given them nothing. But poet says, henceforth I whimper no more. Now I have understood the value of life, and I will not complain to anybody about life. Postpone no more, need nothing. And what do? We have habit of postponing thing. The work which we have to do today, we say that I will do it tomorrow. But poet says, now I will not postpone things in life. Now I need nothing. I don't expect anything from anybody. I am self-reliant. I can do my things myself. Done with indoor complaints. Before this, I was sitting in my house and I was complaining about many things. I have complained many things by sitting in the house, but now I have come out of the house, I have come on the road and I have started walking. Done with indoor complaints. So now I will not complain. I have to go ahead in life, and what is important for that, what is necessary for that, walking is necessary. If we have to reach our destination, if we have to achieve our goal, we have to gain something in life, at that time what should we do? We should walk. We should try. We should not quit our aim. Though we fail in first attempt, we may fail in second attempt, we may fail in third attempt, but the most important thing is that don't quit, don't give up until you get your aim, until you get success. Libraries, curulus criticisms. Done with libraries. I have sat into libraries. I have read many books. Curulus criticism. Curulus means peevish, irritated. Criticism means also complaints. I have complained about many things in life, but now I will not stop. I will not complain about anything, and I will go ahead. We see river always flows. There are many hurdles in her life, in her way. There are many obstacles in her way, but she does not stop flowing. She makes her own way. In the same way, we also in life, we should not complain. We should not complain about anybody or about anything. Our aim is to walk, to go ahead. There may be hurdles in our way, there may be obstacles. It is our duty to face them, to overcome them, and to go ahead. Strong and content, I travel the open road. Strong and content, I travel the open road. Now in front of me, the road is open. In front of me, the road is open, and I am traveling on this road. And I am strong. I am fit. Now I will not fear to anything, and I am contented, satisfied. I am satisfied in my life. Strong and content, I travel the open road, the earth that is sufficient. And I have come on this earth, and that is sufficient means enough. That is enough for me. God has given me life. God has made me human being, and that is sufficient for me. Now I don't want anything from God. I do not want the constellation any nearer. I do not want constellation. Constellation means a group of stars. Here poet says that I do not want any help from anybody, or I do not want any property from anybody. I do not want constellation nearer. I know they are very well where they are, or I do not want a lot of people around me. I do not want help from anybody. And he says that people, they are happy where they are. They are very well where they are. Means constellation means a group of people here, and the people, they are well where they are. I know they suffice for those who belong to them. Suffice means enough for those who belong to them. And there are people, they help others, and poet says that they should be where they are. I don't want anything from them. Still here I carry my old delicious burdens. And finally poet says that still means now also I carry my old delicious burdens. Now I am in the open field. But poet says that I have not forgotten burden. Burden is delicious, tasty, and I have taken this burden with me. I carry them, men and women, and I carry with my journey men and women. I carry with me my burden, means tensions, worries, which he has experienced in the past. He cannot forget them. He has lived with some men and women. He cannot forget them. I carry them with me wherever I go. And poet says that I carry them with me wherever I go. I may go away from people, but I cannot forget their memories. I cannot forget their cooperation. I cannot forget their help. I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them. I swear. Swear means oath. I oath. I swear. It is impossible for me to get rid of them. I am not able to go away from them. I am not able to be free from them. Wherever I will go, memories of the people's cooperation, people's help, memories of relatives will be with me. I am filled with them. My life is filled with the memories of good people, or the relatives or friends, who helped a poet, or whoever helps us. We cannot forget them in our life, and I will fill them in return. Our heart is filled with the memories of our dear ones, and their heart is filled with the memories of us. Song of the Open Road. Here road means movement. Road means movement, and in our life what is important? Movement is important. Here ends our poem. Dear students, if you like my video, please like it, share it, and it is my kind request to you, please subscribe my channel. If you will subscribe it, then you will have access to reach to my videos. So thank you very much, and Once again, thanks a lot.